common question that I get is, you know, are your meal plans different than everyone else's? And, you know, do I have to eat the same things 3 or 4 times a day? Now, I want you to understand that that meal plan serves as a general guideline and not a set in stone plan, so long as you adhere to the macronutrient content of each meal that has been written for you. What do I mean? So if I have chicken breast on your meal plan 5 or 6 times a day, that doesn't mean you have to eat plain Jane chicken breast 5 or 6 times a day. You can season your food so long as it's not altering the macronutrient makeup of that particular meal. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're adding duck sauce or teriyaki sauce or balsamic vinegar or things that have additional sugar in it, obviously that's changing that macronutrient composition of that particular meal. Whereas if you added Mrs. Dash or adobo or another seasoning or preparation, like, you know, combining vegetables to your meal, that's not going to really alter the macros for that particular meal. Same thing for carbohydrates. You know, if I tell you to have a vegetable or something of low glycemic value for this meal, you can interchange that. You know, you could interchange pretty much cream of wheat and oatmeal. You could interchange brown rice and sweet potato for the most part. You could interchange certain meals and mix and match and make the meal plan so that it's something that you can follow and enjoy. Because if you're not enjoying what you're eating, you don't have a meal plan. You have a prison sentence. And most of us like flavor. We like variety. It's human nature to like variety. So be creative. Do your homework. Understand glycemic index. Understand you know, lean cuts of protein. You know, ground turkey 93.7 can be interchanged with chicken breast for the most part. Fish and turkey breast can be interchanged. You know, become creative, put a little time and effort into your preparation. Just because I write a meal plan and I say A, B, C, doesn't mean you need to exactly follow this plan A, B, C. So there is a little bit of effort required on your part to understand nutrition as well. And with all of my meal plans, I let all of my clients know, if you have questions, feel free to ask. That's something that most people don't explain to you. They just give you a meal plan and they say, here, follow this. This is how you should eat. And, you know, that's not what this is about. I'm here to teach you proper nutrition, as well as provide you with a template or a guideline on how you need to eat for your particular body type. Check out the website, johngabucci.com. Check me out on Instagram, @johngabucci. I hope I've provided some insight and real information when it comes to nutrition and eating properly as a lifestyle. This is what we're good at. This is why we're here. And this is what we do. Peace out, everybody. Enjoy your Sunday.